Well, today is super exciting because I never thought that this day was ever gonna really come, but we're flying in a prop plane. So I think Annette is gonna hang with Apollo for right now, and then I'm gonna go up first with Daniel and his dad, and then depending on how that goes, may shove Annette in there with me, and then depending on how that goes, Annette may go with Daniel. So there's gonna be a lot of flying today. I'm super excited for it. Ah!
You got the plane landing behind you in the background.
Did I really?
Yeah.
Ah!
All right, we're good.
Thank you, Senor Steve.
All right, I'm assuming weight-wise, I'm gonna be in the back, you two are gonna be up front.
Well, not weight-wise, but he wants to fly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God. This is crazy.
And we're good on weight with the three of us, right?
Yes.
Now's not too late to ask that question.
It's definitely never too late to ask.
It's just funny because my dad's had this plane since I was a kid, and so like as I've gotten older, I've started to realize exactly how small this plane is. Like when I was a kid, there was so much room in the back for me and my sister and all of our stuff for going to the beach. And then now as an adult, I'm like, wait a minute, like this is not that big.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna be us in a second.
See you in there.
Oh my God, how cool.
Corner, you're gonna need these.
Okay. Do you want me to yank it shut?
No, you
Not
leave it
yet.
open.
You leave it open.
Okay, then I'll plug.
Daniel, you got to plug in back there.
Plug it in right now.
There we go.
was like bracing myself for a kakoosh.
No, you try not to do that in a little plane. That's why you're kind of going like that. You ride the wind a little bit,
Yeah.
but you know, you're not slamming it on the ground.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, the point is to keep pulling back, keep pulling back, keep pulling back until you know, just watch yourself.
Your headset is in the back of net. When you
Okay.
get it, there's 2 plugs.
No, I'm
Plug
sitting in
both
the
of-
front.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Let's go.
All right, have fun, you guys.
I've got my
Don't let
phone.
Daniel in the back.
Oh,
go,
yeah,
baby,
yeah.
Go.
Okay.
Okay.
You got a seatbelt back there. It's just not a shoulder harness.
Okay. Oh, I see. Are you ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
All right, let me clear the runway.
Oh my god.
Have fun.
Bye. Tell everybody I love them.
Okay, so leave the
Watch
door
your hair, watch your
open.
hair.
Leave the
Okay.
door open.
Okay. Wow, it must be really loud because these are
It's loud.
real deal. How do I? Okay. Oh my. Okay. Avionics master. Oh, hello.
So Daniel, I didn't really tell you this, but this
Yeah.
all looks confusing. I'm gonna say airliners.
Yeah.
This right here they call the 6-pack.
Okay.
This is what people fly with. This is a backup for that. Then all this is communications and navigation. So that's a GPS. Right? And then over here is all engine stuff. RPM, fuel pressures, and all that. So in some of these old blue planes, they only have 3 instruments.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. What year is this stuff?
1967.
It's a 67. Wow. How long did it last?
55 and a half.
Wait, I don't see a seatbelt. Hey!
Oh, it's pinching the door.
Oh. In the door? Oh,
No, that lasts longer.
Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
not as scary as I thought, except for the parts that they made deliberately scary. And I don't want to be a pilot. I've definitely learned that about myself. But I will ride on planes that other people drive. How do you?
That was insane. I really don't know how much of that you guys heard because until I took the headphones off, I didn't realize that it was super loud in the plane because they were really good noise canceling. But man, what an experience. Happy Apollo was a little too little to go on this kind of plane because I don't know if you would have liked it, Bubba. It was a little more, I said swayy, not rickety, or like, it's just like you feel the wind pushing you around, and like being able to fly it myself. Oh my gosh, I did some like really intense banks, left, right, going in a circle. He was like, take the plane 180, and I was like, you got it. Annette wasn't too keen on flying it. She definitely was like, no, and then she ended up flying it a little once she felt a little more comfortable. But let's go see what everyone else is up to, buddy. Daniel, how did you like my flying?
You love to do some real sharp turns that have me in the back seat, like sideways, which is a little bit less than ideal.
No, Daniel loves to do crazy things on anything that semi looks dangerous. On motorbikes, I'll be on the back and he'll like be scraping the sidewalk as we're trying to do a U-turn to go into 7-Eleven. It's great.
Yeah, I literally at one point was in the headset like, don't roll it, don't roll it. Don't roll it, because we just kept going and going. And nobody was stopping it, and I was just in the back like, don't roll it, don't roll it, don't roll it.
I'm so glad that I wasn't in the plane with Daniel driving.
He literally did yell at me, don't roll it.
Literally, that would be the fastest way to divorce, is me in the back seat with Daniel driving that airplane.
Well, anyways, I guess that wraps up the day of flying for us. Thank you guys so much for joining us on this adventure up in the air on Kent Island. It's been, wow, what a blast. A huge thank you to our patrons who made all these adventures possible. We really appreciate the support. And if you want to find out how to support us in our travels through the US and around the world, with our little digital nomad family, make sure you click the link up above and in the description, and make sure that if you guys want 3 free months of Amazon Prime, click that link in the description as well, because we actually have a free trial whenever you use our code. I'll put that down on the screen right after this. But anyways, thank you guys for joining us on this adventure. Say Apollo, we'll see you on the next adventure. Anyways, bye.